Hi, Dr. Hannah.
You Dr. Me.
I'm a doctor too.
You Dr. Mama.
Dr. Mama and Dr. Hannah are here. Is Hannah going to show us how to use the cough assist?
You want to cough Bubby.
We're going to cough Bubby.
Okay. Because I push a button and we'll cough him.
Okay, let's see how do you do it. Turn it on. Press therapy.
Yes.
Yep. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Good job. And then you turn it off.
Okay, and I want to try again.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay?
Okay.
I'll push a button. And it's on cough.
Okay. Are you an RT in training?
Yes. I'm Dr. Hannah and I'm going to push a button.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, 1 to 4 and down and down.
Yep.
Okay?
1 to 4 from inhale and 1 to 4 to exhale. Okay, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do inhale. Oh, you gotta push the therapy button again. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Yep. There you go. Good job. I know we wouldn't want to do that though.
Okay. Cough Bubby is missing.
Oh, we already coughed Bubby in this medicine. See, he's doing good. Hi, Bubby.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are we teaching Hannah how to be an RT?
2, 4, 9.
Would you trust her? Maybe?
2, 4, 9.
She looks like she knows what she's doing.
2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9.
Alright, that's good for now.
Okay. What's next?
What's next? I don't know. Maybe we got another patient. See you later, Dr. Hannah.
No. We'll hook Bubs.
Alright, we're just going to stay with Bubs then.
Okay. What's next?
What's next?
A water.
Yeah?
It's on his head.
We're going to put water on his head?
Yeah.
That's silly.
Okay.